So for those that watch the channel, you probably know that I'm actually a pretty big fan of the Padmate earbuds. You know, for their price and what you get, I've always been very pleased. I've always been surprised at what you get from them. You know, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, you get really nice earbuds from Padmate. Today we're looking at their new one, and these ones are the Padmate S37. They're the air conduction, and we've tested a couple air conduction earbuds in the past, and our thoughts on air conduction were, they're okay. They're okay. I wasn't completely opposed to them, but they kind of had the same kind of similar, I don't know, feel and sound quality to bone conduction, maybe a little bit better, but definitely not to the level that you would expect from like dedicated true earbuds. So I'm very curious to see how these sound in comparison. So we're going to take a look at Padmate's website to see what they say about them. We'll crack open the box to see what you get, and then of course we'll take a listen and see what they sound like. Okay, Padmate S37 air conduction. Air conduction seems to be the new thing right now. 6 reviews, 4.5 stars. Lightweight, yep, gotcha. Comfortable design, cool. With a memory titanium frame and silicone material construction. Bluetooth 5.3, a dual microphone for clear calls. We'll do a sound test possibly. Long battery life, up to 5 to 8 hours of music time, 5 hours of talk time. 1.5 hours charging time, IPX6. So if you are someone that gets sweaty when you're working out, you should be okay. Don't take them swimming necessarily. Compatible with sunglasses, helmets, and hats. That's actually pretty cool. Sunglasses and hats, because for someone that rides even a motorcycle, one of the things that can be an issue, of course, is like earbuds. I'm not a big fan of earbuds when you wear a helmet because they just don't fit right. Or if you wear a, you know, I just don't like anything that is in, like right in your ear hole. So maybe that could be cool. Voice assistant and Siri support. It does look like they come in 2 different colors. I don't know which color I got. This kind of blacky purple color, and then this white orange color, right? Oh, gray red. So not whitey orange. It's grayy red or black, but it's black purple. Let's call it what it is, right? It's black purple. Yes, that's black purple. Okay, well, there's a box. Padmate S37, right? Padmate. There's your stuff on the back. Bluetooth, yeah, playtime. It's all the stuff that I kind of talked about already. Sweet deal. Let's crack open this. Padmate. For those that haven't heard them, I'm telling you, if you want a fairly inexpensive pair of headphones, earbuds, I guess, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you'll probably be quite surprised at the sound quality. I've always liked their stuff, and I've only had one pair of their earbuds fail on me, and it's because I ran them through the washer. Yeah, and they're not supposed to work when you run them through the washer. So one of them still worked. The other one won't charge. So that's my own fault. My own fault. Okay, ready? And here we go. And it's too bad because it's actually one of my favorite pairs of the Padmates. So pretty simple. You do get a little Padmate something here. This must be the manual. Padmate, yeah. I'm going to tell you all kinds of stuff. Looks like one side is in probably Chinese. The other side hopefully is in, in English. So there we go. And the fonts are big enough I can actually read that. So that's okay. A lot of times I'm like, I'm not going to be able to read that because my eyesight sucks. It's getting there, getting older. That's what happens. I accept it. I don't accept it, but it is what it is. Okay, so there's that magnetic charger that they talk about. It's very similar to things that like you and I see with smartwatches that kind of come from China and things like that. USB-A to this. So cool. And these look very much like a bone conduction, right? So this is the black and kind of purpley. It's kind of got this neat little shimmery color right there. You see that? That's nice. That's all right. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. And they talk about how you could wear this because that's the titanium. What is it? Titanium frame. Memory titanium frame. And this just sits like that. So they don't go in your ear holes. they sit kind of above them, right? Well, they sit, so you can just flap them out and they just kind of sit and push back as far into your ear, over your ear holes. And then this sits on the back. That's kind of nice, actually. Fits me good. You just kind of tilt them where they need to be. Take them off for a second. And then charge-wise, okay, there's some buttons on the bottom. So there's your power button. See, there's the little speakers on both sides. You guys see that, right? There's your little speakers. Buttons there. I feel like many buttons anywhere. They may be touch on the side, but that is your power button. That really does feel like it's like the only button on it. It must be touch. It must be touch. And then there's your charger port right there. There's that magnetic port. Okay, all right. Put them back on here. And then on the bottom somewhere. Hold on. Got my phone. Yes. Got my phone. We'll go to the bottom. And hold. Power. Oh, actually, that voice sounds okay. Pairing. You can do it. I got so much. I got to get rid of some of the Bluetooth stuff here. Oh, there they are. Padmate S37s. Anything? Connected. My hat's on to the side. You notice that? It's all good. Whatever. I'm a gangster. But the lady in the earbuds, she sounds okay, and my volume's not. You know, it's just there. Now, let's go in here. My wife was using my phone. Okay, we got Bon Jovi. Ready? Okay, Bon Jovi. Here we go. Crank it up. Okay, so here's. I'm gonna pause it right there. First thing, just to be completely honest with you folks, they don't have the sound quality that earbuds have, and this is in comparison to other Padmate earbuds, to other brands of earbuds. They just don't have the volume, or because they're not in your ear holes, right? They're not in there. They're not sealing, right? They have a lot of ability for sound to kind of come out and release, but I have to say they're probably some of the better air conduction, is that what they're called? Air conduction headphones. And definitely, in my opinion, better than bone conduction headphones. So if you're kind of in the market for one of those because you don't like things in your ears, then okay. It's not a bad sound. It's just, it doesn't have that crispness, I think, that you would get with like actual in-ear headphones or earbuds or whatever, right? Okay, that's fine. I don't even know who that is. Queen. And the bass is decent. It's there. It's pronounced. You can hear it. It's just it doesn't have that highs that the only word I can say of is crisp, right? Where it's just like bang. It's got that really nice edginess to it. Volume wise, they're good. Sound quality wise, really good. You know, it just. And it probably is just for the fact that it's either their sound profile or it's like I said, they had to kind of find that area where air conduction works best. Okay, it's not. It's actually way better than I thought it was going to be. One more song, because these are the songs I like. You know what I'm going to. For those of you that have been here before, Blinding Lights. Ready? Yeah, the bass is good on it. Like, it's decent. It's not overpowering by any means, but it's there. It's not as if... And that's the thing, like with bone conduction, I find bass is pretty much, it's gone, right? You don't even pay attention to it. But these, it's good. The bass is fine. It's just, it's missing some of that high, right? It's just a little missing some of that high. It's really got that mid and that little bit mid to a bit of low, not crazy low, but a bit of low. But you know what, if you're out running or whatever, and you're someone, like I said, that wants to be able to hear things around you, because you can just pause this and now you have nothing in your ears, and there's no different hearing you as if I took that off or had it on. There's nothing there, right? Okay, no, they're fine, they're good. And they're only $53 Canadian. That's cheap, right? Okay, so last but not least, let's go into Filmic here. Filmic. See if I can make sure these are set up for the audio. So Bluetooth, Padmate. All right, that seems fine. And based on the monitoring, they sound okay. So let's spin the camera around and record. Okay, so this is audio coming from the Padmate S37s. You guys should be able to hear what I'm hearing. And as far as monitoring from the actual phone, they sound pretty good, nice and loud. I'm actually surprised, again, based on where they are. And I don't know, there's only two mics, I think, in it, dual microphone. So, yeah, you guys hear it. You can let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll get back to the normal audio. Okay, so I'm gonna say, based on my previous reviews of bone conduction and based on reviews of air conduction headphones in the past that are this style, and I just got my little charger, so I want to see how that works. Ready? Boom. Is there any little light or anything like that that comes up? Yeah, there it is. Little red light right there. You guys see it? Yes, little red light right there. So charging. They're probably the best ones I've heard. Best ones I've heard. And here's the thing. I've tested some other bone conduction and air conduction, and these are probably some of the cheaper ones that I've tried. So that's kind of win-win. That's all I got. That's all I got for you. You've heard the microphone. Again, I think their sound profile sits in that mid to low. I would have liked to have heard a little bit more treble in them, but it is what it is. Volume and clarity, really good. And yeah, I give them a 4 out of 5. I give them a 4 out of 5 for what they are. For what they are, right? If you're looking for the sound quality of, high-end earbuds, you're not going to get that. No. But you're also going to pay, 5 to 10 times the price for those. These are earbuds, headphones that you could wear all day for sure and not have any concern. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I will leave links to Padmate's website where you guys can take a look. Again, $53. That's not bad at all. And that's it for me today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you fine farts. All you farts out there, all you fine folks out there tomorrow. See, that's what happens when you take some time off for vacation. You come back and all shot to hell. Yep. Oh, yeah.